Hello children, hope all are fine and safe at home. So let us start today's class. As you know that in maths we already started arithmetic progression, isn't it? Your first chapter, arithmetic progression. There we completed first exercise, that is 1.1. We completed all the 4 questions. Today we are going to start with the new exercise. Before that we are going to see what we are going to do in the second exercise. There we are going to find out nth term of arithmetic progression. Now what do you mean by nth term of the arithmetic progression? Now as you know that till now in the first exercise we studied that if they have given the series of number, we are going to find whether it is in a AP, isn't it? Or else if it is in a AP, we used to find the 3 more terms. Yes, right? That we did in the first exercise. But in second exercise, if the question comes, if 3 more like if A1 is given, A2 is given and A3 is given, and if it is in the AP, and if the question comes to find out the 3 more terms, you can find out, isn't it? You can find out A4, A5 and A6 if you know the D value, isn't it? If you know the D value. Now you know that the number of series or whatever the number of series are given in AP, but the question asks you to find the 100th term. Is that easy to find out the 100th term? No, isn't it? We are not able to find out the 100th term because we used to add on, keep on adding, isn't it? Like A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, isn't it? Like that till A99, A100, like that till we have to do that. But is that easy? No, isn't it? If there is any equation or if there is any formula for us to find out that, then it will be easy for us to find out the 100th term. If they ask us to find out the 1000th term also, we are able to find out if there is a proper formula. Now we are deriving a formula here. Okay, how to derive the formula? So you know that in a AP, A1, A2, A3, it will be given, isn't it? There will be terms are given, A1, A2 and A3, A4, isn't it? It will be given like this. Now, A1 is the first term and D is the common difference. That is, if you subtract the next A2 and A1, you are going to find out the D. Isn't it? Common difference between the two terms should be stable, means it should be same. Then only you can say that the given number of terms or given number of series are in AP. Isn't it? That we did. So if it is there, if what AP is given and you know the first term and the D, then how to find out the 100th term? Can we derive the formula for that? Yes, we can. Now if A is the first term, now how to find out A2? We are going to add D, common difference, to the first term, isn't it? And we can write this in this form, like see, A as it is, second term minus first term into D. Then we get the same, like A plus 2 minus 1 is 1 D. Same thing we are getting. If we want to find out the third term, then A2 plus D. Or else we can do like this also. We can write this in this form. A plus 2D. D plus D. Isn't it 2D? Yes, right. See, I'll give you one example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now these numbers are in what? AP. Okay? Yes, right? You know that first term is 1. And if I want you, like if the question is to find out the 6th term, how will you find out? And you know that D is nothing but 2 minus 1, it is 1. How will you find out A2? Like 1 plus 1, this A plus D, isn't it? You will find out 2. You got right? And A3, how will you find out A3? A3 is equal to 1, first term plus D plus D. That means A plus 2D. Isn't it? We can write like that also. Yes, right. Now, if I wanted to find out A3, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which means A plus 3D. 3 times D you have to add to get the 3. A3, third term. Yes, right. Same way, here also we can find out like that. Okay, now to get to 2D, how to write? A plus 3 minus 1. We are going to find out the third term, right? 3 minus 1 means previous one. Third term minus its previous one. So D. Like that. Okay, so we are going to get A plus 2D. Now if the question is to find out A4, how to find out? A plus 3D. How to find out that 3D? A plus 4 minus 1D. If this is the what pattern to find out the nth term, like the next term, then we by using the same pattern we can find out what nth term, right? Like how to find out the nth term. Now imagine, now the question is to find out the 100th term. Okay, 100th term. Like how to find out the 100th term? I can write A plus 99D. A plus 99D. How I can write this in elaborated form? A plus 100 minus 1 into D. Yes, right? I'll get A plus 99D. If the question is to find out the infinity means the last term, we don't know which term it is. So I'll consider it as n. Then I can write like this: A plus, see, if it is a 100 term, I wrote as 100 minus 1. Then it will be n minus 1 into D. So this is the formula. Okay, this is the formula to find out the nth term of AP. Okay, this is the formula to find out the nth term of AP. By using the same formula, we are going to solve a second exercise, that is 1.2 exercise. Let us start with the second exercise. Okay, so first question of 1.2 exercise. Fill in the blanks in the following table given that the first term A and the common difference D and AN nth term of an AP. So here they have given A, D, N and AN we don't know. We have to find it. So to find out AN, we know the formula, isn't it? We'll write the formula. That is nothing but AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now AN is how much? We don't know. But N term we know. It is nothing but N. 8. So N is equal to 8. And the first term is 7 plus nth term is 8 minus 1 into D value. D value is how much? How much we have to write? D value is 3. Now 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 into 3. So 7 plus 21. 7 3 is a 21. So what is the answer? 7 plus 21 is 28. So A8, 8th term of AP is 28. This is about the first question. I hope this much you understood. If you didn't understood, please pause the video and see that once again. Okay, next, second one. Now here they have given A value. A value is how much? Minus 18. D value we don't know. We have to find it out. And N value we know 10. And AN also, AN value we know 0. So first what we have to write? We have to write the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is how much here? 0. That is equal to A value is how much? Minus 18. Plus N value is how much? 10. 10 minus 1 and D value we don't know. So we have to write as it is. Now 0, see 0 I'll write and I'm going to transfer this minus 18 to this side, left hand side. So it will become plus. When minus 18 go to left hand side, what happens? It become plus. So here what is there? 10 minus 1, here 9D is there. So 0 plus 18 is 18 and 9D. Now we have to find out D. So we have to transfer this 9 to other side. So if the numbers are in a form of multiplication, then when we are transferred to other side, it become division, isn't it? 18 by 9 is equal to D. Now 9 ones are 9 twos are. So D value is 2 here. D value is how much? 2 here. So that is about the second question. Next, third one. A is not given, D is given minus 3, N is 18 and AN is minus 5. First what we have to do? We have to write the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now AN is how much? Minus 5. and a is how much? We don't know. So we have to write as it is, a plus n is how much? 18 minus 1, d value is minus 3. Okay, so minus 5 is equal to a plus 18 minus 1 is 17 into minus 3. Minus 5 is equal to a plus 17 into 3 is how much? 17 3s are 21, 2, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5, 51, isn't it? Minus 51 it is, okay, because minus 3 is there. When you multiply with 7 into minus 3, it becomes minus 51. Now what we have to do, we have to transfer this minus 51 to other side. So minus 5 is already is there. Now 51 came with a plus sign, that is plus 51 is equal to a. Now add this. So what we have to do, whether we have to add or subtract, we have to subtract. Why? When plus or minus is there, we have to subtract and we have to put the bigger number sign. Now 51 minus 5 is how much? Like 51 minus 5 is 46, right? 46 is equal to a. So the first term of an AP is 46. So this is about the third problem. Next, we are going to do the fourth problem now. Here a is given minus 18.9, d is given 2.5, n is not given, an is given, that is 3.6. So first what we have to do, we have to write the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An value is how much? 3.6 is equal to a value is how much? Minus 18.9 plus n value we don't know, so we'll write n minus 1 as it is, and d value we know, that is 2.5. Now what we have to do, minus 18.9 I am going to transfer to other side. So what I get, 3.6 plus 18.9 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Now when we add 3.6 plus 18.9, how much we get? 6 plus 9 is 15, 1 remain, 8 plus 3 is 11, 12, isn't it? One more, so 22.5. So here 22.5 we are getting, and here n minus 1 into 2.5. Now we have two options here. Either I have to transfer 2.5 to the left hand side, or else I have to multiply with the 2.5 with n and minus 1. Okay, which one is better? You do that. So I am going to transfer now. So 22.5 divided by 2.5 is equal to n minus 1. Now here, as decimal is there, so I am going to remove this decimal by multiplying by 10. Why by 10? Because after decimal point, one number is there, one digit is there. So with 1 0. Now when we multiply by 10, what happens here? I'll write here, okay? I'll write here. So 225 divided by 25 is equal to n minus 1. Now we have to divide this by 25 directly because it is going, isn't it? Last number ends with 25 only. So 25 ones are 25 4s are 100, 25 8s are 200, 25 9s are 225. So what happens here? 9 is equal to n minus 1. This minus 1 comes this side. So 9 plus 1 is equal to n. That is nothing but n value is 10. So it is the 10th term. 3.6 is the 10th term of an AP. Next, last one, that is fifth one. A is equal to 3.5, D is 0, N is 105, AN we don't know, we have to find it. So we'll write the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is how much? We don't know, right? So it is 105th term. A is how much? 3.5 plus N 105 minus 1 into D. D is 0. Now A 105 is equal to 3.5 plus 105 minus 1 is 104. 104. Wait. No confusion. 104 into 0. Okay, outside 0 is there. D value is 0. So what happens here? A 105 is equal to 3.5 plus a 0. When you multiply any number with 0, answer will be 0. Now when you add 0 to any number, you'll get same number, isn't it? That is 105th term of an AP is 3.5. So this is about the first question. I hope this much you understood. If you have any doubt, please go through the video once again. Okay, if you understood the video, like our video, share with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.